What'd you think, Killer? What happened?
I've had them gobbling all morning, Buck. And I got 3. I just worked 3 right down there, and just couldn't finish them off. What do we think we need to do?
Well, you say you come out and didn't spook them, right?
Come out and didn't spook them.
Okay.
I sat down, let them walk away. I let them walk away, and then I slipped out.
I tell you what we probably need to do. So we don't want to go back in there. I said what we're gonna do, we'll try to make us a big loop and come in on this bottom side, and there's a little clearing in there on the pine thicket. We'll go in there and see if we can set up. Probably by now they worked their way down that branch. What we do is ease around and sit down and sit there for about 30 minutes or so and start hitting the collar and see if we can get one to gobble and see if we can get him in there.
All right.
Let's go, man.
Let's do it.
Let me get this on tape. You said you heard them turkeys right over here. Probably cross that range. All they do is sit up right in here and just hit the call. See if one answers. Looks like a good spot. We slipped around, and I hope we got around him. I ain't seen him. I ain't spooked none, I hope. So y'all stick with us, see if we can get this in here. Let's get these decoys out. See if old Jersey girl and Bubba so can get the job done. Get that turkey in here. See here for a little bit. We'll get it in here. Won't take us long. Hopefully, be able to get him to gobble. There you go. Good job, huh? Killer, good job, man.
Appreciate it, Buck. That's some good calling, Buck.
Yeah. See, what you did wrong, I think you did a little over calling. And see, that's where you learn. See, when you call in, the turkey don't come on in there, you call a little too much. I think if you'd shut up, and let that turkey come on in there. And another thing, if you had a decoy,
Yeah.
a lot of times, I mean, that decoy will help you. You know, he sees that decoy, he comes right on in there, and it takes him his eyes off of you. You know what I'm saying? But that's something, lesson learned. Learn from that. Next time,
Decoy and shut up.
decoy and just call a little bit and be quiet. Beautiful. Let's see, you got about a 10-inch beard, maybe 11. That's maybe 11 or 12. That is a nice beard. Got about an inch spur, 3/4 to an inch. About a 2.5, 3-year-old bird. But man, that's beautiful. Man, I tell you, that's a good shot too. I was wondering if he was gonna shoot. Well, I wanted him to come to that decoy, but you notice he got a little nervous right there. And that's why I wanted him to go ahead.
I think he saw me swing.
Yeah, I wanted you to go ahead and take the shot. I didn't know if you could see him when they first come up. It didn't take them long.
I couldn't see him. He was behind the pine tree there from where I was at. And then when he finally got out in the open, I never did see the hen. I heard her, but I never saw her. And then I saw his white head. And when he come, and you had to go in to shoot him, he was behind the little pine tree.
Yeah.
And then when he made that turn back,
got it. That was a good shot, man, I tell you. That's a beautiful bird.